You clicked on this video because you want to see 10 mind-blowing technologies that will transform your daily life. And trust me, you're in for a wild ride. From brain chips that let you control devices with your thoughts, to robots that handle your chores, and even cars that can literally take off and fly. The future is happening right now, but here's the craziest part. Number 1 on this list isn't just revolutionary, it could change what it means to be human forever. So stick around, because the way we live is about to change forever. Let's dive in. Imagine never having to clean your house again. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra isn't just another robot vacuum, it's an AI-powered cleaning beast. This thing maps your home, dodges obstacles, and even auto-cleans itself. It uses LiDAR navigation and dual brushes to suck up every last dust particle. And the best part? It knows where the mess is before you do. Smart homes just got even smarter. But if you think this is cool, wait till you see number 1. Cameras are great for catching thieves after they rob you. But what if your security system could stop them in real time? Meet Deep Sentinel, an AI-powered home security system with live guards monitoring your property 24/7. It doesn't just record crime, it prevents it. If someone shady approaches your house, the AI instantly alerts a real human who can speak through the camera and even call the cops. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your home. But what if your laptop could literally expand? Stay tuned for number 8. This laptop is straight out of a science fiction movie. Lenovo's ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 features a screen that literally expands, giving you a massive display when you need it and a compact design when you don't. No more tiny screens or carrying extra monitors. Whether you're gaming, editing, or working on the go, this futuristic design is set to change how we think about laptops. But speaking of screens, what if you could wear them on your face? Tired of staring at screens all day? What if your screen followed you wherever you go? The X-Real Air 2 glasses project a massive virtual display right in front of your eyes, whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or even working. It's lightweight, stylish, and doesn't make you look like a cyborg looking at you, Google Glass. Augmented reality is becoming mainstream, and these glasses are leading the way. But what if we could take AR even further? Get ready for number 6. Flying cars have been a dream for decades, but guess what? That future is finally here. Meet the XPeng X2, an all-electric, fully autonomous flying car that can take off vertically with just the push of a button. No runways, no complicated controls, just pure futuristic travel. Designed by XPeng Aero HT, the X2 isn't just some sci-fi concept. It's already taking test flights and proving that urban air mobility is real. Powered by 8 propellers and a lightweight carbon fiber body, it can fly at speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour for around 35 minutes on a single charge. Imagine skipping traffic jams and soaring straight to your destination. But here's the real game changer. It's designed to fly autonomously, meaning you don't need a pilot's license. Just input your destination, and the AI-powered system does the rest. Of course, the biggest challenge is regulations, but XPeng is already working with aviation authorities to make flying cars a reality sooner than you think. So, would you ride in a flying car? Or does the idea of self-flying taxis freak you out? Let me know in the comments. Forget AR glasses. Mojo Lens brings augmented reality straight to your eyeballs. These smart contact lenses have a built-in display that overlays information directly onto your vision. Weather updates, directions, health tracking, all without a screen. It's like having Iron Man's HUD inside your eye. The future of wearable tech is getting wild. Apple just changed the game with the Vision Pro. the most advanced mixed reality headset ever. It seamlessly blends the real world with digital content, making it feel like apps, games, and movies are floating in midair. Eye tracking, hand gestures, insane 4K resolution. This thing is next level. It's like stepping into the future. But what if robots could replace human workers? Stick around for number 3. All right, let's talk about robots that move just like us. Or maybe even better. Meet Atlas, the world's most advanced humanoid robot, designed by Boston Dynamics. And trust me, this thing is insane. Imagine a robot that doesn't just walk, but runs, jumps, does backflips, and even parkour. I mean, this thing could probably compete on Ninja Warrior. Atlas is built with one goal in mind: to work alongside humans in dangerous or labor-intensive jobs. Imagine a future where these robots help in disaster relief, search and rescue missions, and even industrial work. It's already been seen carrying heavy loads, balancing on one foot, and navigating through complex environments, something no other robot can do so fluidly. But here's the crazy part. Atlas isn't fully autonomous yet. Right now, it's mostly programmed to perform tasks, but AI is evolving fast. We could be looking at a future where robots like this make independent decisions, learn from their surroundings, and maybe, just maybe, become part of our everyday lives. All right, we've seen Boston Dynamics Atlas, but now let's talk about a robot that's being designed to be in your home. Meet Tesla Optimus Gen 2, Elon Musk's vision for the world's first truly useful humanoid robot. And if Musk gets this right, it could change the way we live forever. Unlike Atlas, which is built for extreme tasks, Optimus is being trained to do everyday work, like folding laundry, cooking meals, carrying groceries, and even caring for the elderly. Basically, it's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and never needs a paycheck. But here's where it gets even wilder. Tesla is developing this robot using the same AI technology that powers their self-driving cars. That means it's designed to see and understand the world just like a human does. It learns from its environment, recognizes objects, and adapts to new tasks on the fly. Now, Elon Musk has made it clear that he wants Tesla Optimus to be affordable, with early estimates suggesting a price tag around $20,000. That's less than a car. The goal? Make robots accessible to everyday people and businesses. But here's the real question. If humanoid robots like this become mainstream, what happens to jobs? Will they replace factory workers, cleaners, and even customer service reps? Or will they just assist humans in making life easier? Either way, the age of humanoid robots is coming fast. But if you thought this was the peak of futuristic tech, just wait until you see number 1. All right, this is it. The most mind-blowing, game-changing technology on this list. We're talking about something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's very real. Welcome to the world of Neuralink, Elon Musk's brain implant that connects your mind directly to computers, AI, and even the internet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, a chip in my brain? No thanks. But hear me out. This technology has the potential to cure paralysis, restore lost vision, and even help people with brain disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. In fact, Neuralink has already successfully implanted its first device into a human in 2024. So how does it work? Neuralink is a tiny chip implanted in your brain that communicates with neurons. Think of it as an ultra-fast Bluetooth connection between your brain and technology. Imagine being able to control your phone, type messages, or even play video games just by thinking about it. No hands, no controllers, just pure mind power. Imagine learning a new language instantly, downloading information directly into your memory, or even merging your thoughts with AI to enhance intelligence beyond human limits. Now, of course, there are big ethical questions here. Are we playing with fire? Could this lead to mind control? Will AI take over our brains? These are questions we'll have to answer as this technology advances. But one thing is certain, Neuralink is the first step toward merging humans and machines. So, would you ever get a brain chip implanted? Or does this future freak you out? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video fascinating, make sure to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content. The future is happening now.